So the first thing you're going to do if you don't already have this, if you already have this set up, you could probably skip this and go straight to the ads, but I wanted to show you guys how to create a Facebook business suite. So I usually start by typing in Facebook Business Manager or Facebook Business, any of that will pull it up. The actual domain name will be business.facebook.com because there are a lot of different versions of this, but this is the one that you need. It needs to look like this. So if your screen does not look like this, you're not logged into the correct business suite, which by the way is now named Meta Business Suite because of the Facebook name change. I would also like to point out that I believe you can only do this if you have a business Facebook page, which if you went through the course already and you've made your company, then you should have a business page. So once you are completely logged in with your Facebook page already completed and your screen looking something like this, then you are ready to start managing Facebook pages. Now it can get a little confusing because you can manage people's pages or you can manage their ad accounts. These are two completely different things. One is more so managing comments, likes, shares, and posts, and the other one is actually managing ads. We care about the ads way more than we care about their likes and posts because as soon as they connect their Facebook page to your software, you can post anyway, it's in the social planner. So I rarely ever use that feature. I only care about ads. So we're gonna go down here to Ads Manager and it's gonna open a brand new tab. And once you're in the Ads Manager page, if you've never run ads before, it's gonna look very confusing. I promise it's not. I'm gonna hold your hand through the whole process through all these next videos. But as you can see, I'm on one of my clients' pages now where we're getting him leads for fencing jobs, steel building jobs, and any type of construction or landscaping work. And if you're wondering how I have access to his account and how if I click this drop-down menu, you will see multiple other accounts that I also have access to, I'm about to show you how I did it. So when we want to manage someone else's ads, it is so much easier for them to just add you as a manager so you don't have to keep logging into all these different businesses accounts. You can manage everything under one. So right now I'm under my main account here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on all tools. Then I'm going to go over to business settings. The first thing I want to point out is this email right here. This is the email that you're going to use so that you get access to their ad accounts. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go down here to add accounts under accounts. So click that. And then you can see here there's an add button. We're going to click that and we're going to go to request access to an ad account because that's what we're trying to do. We want access to their ad account. So they give you two very simple options to do this. You can either add the ad account here or you can follow these instructions, contact the owner of the ad account, ask them to go to the ad account tab in their business manager and click assign partner and then give them access by copying and pasting this number, which is your number, into their assign partner tab. I'm not a huge fan of that. I would much rather just get their account ID. It's a very simple and very easy number to get. I will show you where that number pops up and then you can just ask them, hey, can you just copy that for me and send it my way? And then you'll get an email and all you have to do is accept me and we're good. Because I understand people make this a way bigger issue than it needs to be. This is something that can literally take 10 minutes. And for some reason, Facebook makes it kind of strange. There's so many different things that you could press and get confused by, when in reality, it's actually a pretty simple process. So if you ever needed to find your ad account ID, it is right here. So you can take a screenshot of that and send it right to your business owner so he can find where that number is, and then he can just send it your way and you're good to go. As soon as you're accepted as an admin of the account, you can now manage all of their ads and use one simple strategy that I use to bring in a lot of leads. Thanks for watching. Next video, I'm going to show you how I do it.